Giving thanks for food that's served before you eat is a tradition that goes back thousands of years and is known to have been practiced since ancient Egypt. In this fast-paced 21st century, taking time to be grateful for the food served is often forgotten. But using the simple act of eating and drinking as an opportunity to be grateful will greatly increase the magic in your life. A grateful heart is a heart that keeps on feasting. Quote from W. J. Cameron, 1879-1953, journalist and businessman. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Book Notes channel. This time we enter the 10th note of the book The Magic by Rhonda Byrne. In a previous note we discussed how to get out of negativity, and this time we will discuss the 8th magic exercise, magic foodstuffs. For you newcomers, click subscribe so we can continue to share useful notes like this. Book notes friends, if you remember a time when you were really hungry, you would remember you couldn't think or function normally, your body felt weak, you started shaking, your mind became confused and lethargic. All of this can happen after just a few hours of fasting. You need food to live, think, and feel good, so there's a lot to be grateful for from food. To strengthen your sense of gratitude for the food we have, take a moment and think of all the people who have put their time and energy into making food available to you. In order for you to eat fresh fruit and vegetables, farmers must grow and care for the fruit and vegetables by continuously watering them, protecting them for months until the crops are ready to be harvested. Then there are the harvesters, packers, distributors and haulers who drive thousands of kilometers day and night, all working in harmony to ensure that every fruit and vegetable you receive is fresh and available year-round. Think of meat farmers, fishermen, dairy farmers, coffee and tea farmers, and all the food packaging companies who work tirelessly to produce the food we eat. The world's food production is an amazing orchestra that happens every day, and it's inconceivable how it all goes so smoothly if we remember how many people are involved in managing the world's food and beverage supplies to shops, restaurants, supermarkets, cafes, planes, schools, hospitals and every house on the planet. Food is a gift. Food is a gift of nature, because there would be nothing for us to eat if nature did not supply us with soil, nutrients, and water to grow food. Without water, there would be no food, plants, animals, or human life. We use water to cook, grow food, maintain gardens, supply bathrooms, maintain every moving vehicle, support hospitals, fuel, mining, industry, transportation, make roads, make clothing and every consumer product this planet, make plastic, glass, metal, make life-saving medicines, build our homes and every other building or structure. And water keeps our bodies alive. If there is a miracle on this planet, it must contain water. Quote from Lauren Isley, 1907-1977, anthropologist and science author. Without food and water, where would we be? We won't even be exist. So do family and friends. We will not have today, or tomorrow. But the truth is, we are together on this beautiful planet, living life with all the joys that are challenging and exhilarating, because of nature's gift of food and water. Saying the simple magic words, "Thank you," before eating or drinking anything is an act of acknowledgement and gratitude for this miracle of food and water. The great thing is that when you are grateful for food and water, it not only affects your life, thank goodness you are also impacting the world's food supply. If enough people are grateful for food and water, it actually helps people who are hungry and in dire need. According to the law of attraction, and Newton's law of action and reaction, the mass action of gratitude must produce an equivalent mass reaction, which could change the conditions of food and water shortages for every person on the planet. In addition, gratitude for food and water keeps the magic going in your life, and it will knit its golden thread into everything you care about, everything you love, and everything you dream of. In ancient times, people believed that when they blessed their food and water with gratitude, it would purify whatever they blessed, and when you look at the various theories and discoveries that have been made by quantum physics in recent times, for example the observation effect, then the ancients were right. The observation effect in quantum physics refers to the change that the act of observing has on what is being observed. Imagine, the concentration of gratitude on food and drink changes the structure of their energy and purify it, so that everything you consume has a wonderful impact on the well-being of your body. One way to immediately experience the wonders of gratitude for food and drink is to truly enjoy what you eat or drink. When you enjoy your food or drink, it means you appreciate the food or drink, or are grateful for it. As an experiment, the next time you eat or drink, when you take a bite, focus on the taste of the food or drink in your mouth before swallowing it, and enjoy it. Then the taste of the food will taste much more delicious, and when you don't focus, the taste of the food or drink will be greatly weakened. It's your energy of focus and gratitude that instantly changes the taste. Today, before you eat or drink anything, regardless of whether you are going to have a big meal or not, on fruit or a snack, or are going to drink anything, including water, take a moment to look at what you are going to eat and drink, and in your mind or with a voice, say the magic words, "Thank you." And if you can, take one bite and really enjoy it. This will not only increase the enjoyment of the food you feel, but will also help you feel more grateful. You could also try something the author of this book did, something that has helped her feel more grateful. What it does is, wave its hand while saying magic words, then it's as if it sprinkles magic powder and imagines the magic powder instantly purifying everything it touches. By doing so, the author of this book was greatly helped to truly feel that gratitude is a miraculous ingredient, and to want to add it to everything he eats and drinks. If it works for you, you can imagine that you have a container of magic powder and sprinkle it like you sprinkle salt or pepper on all food before you eat it, and on every drink. If at any point during the day you forget to say the magic words, "Thank you," before you eat or drink, as soon as you realize it, close your eyes, in your mind, go back to a second or two before you eat or drink, and say the magic words. If you forget to give thanks for food and drink several times throughout the day, repeat the exercise the next day. It's a shame if you miss a day building your gratitude, because your dreams depend on it. Being grateful for the simple things in life, such as food and water, is one of the deepest expressions of gratitude, and when you can feel that degree of depth of gratitude, you will see miracles happen. Book notes, friends. Here are the details of the 8th magic exercise from the book The Magic Foodstuffs. 1. Counting gifts. Make a list of your 10 gifts. Write down why you are grateful for the gift. Reread your list, and at the end of each gift say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful as possible for that gift. 2. Today, before eating or drinking anything, take a moment to look at what you are going to eat or drink, and in your heart or in your voice, say the magic words, "Thank you." 3. Before going to bed tonight, hold the magic stone in your hand, and say the magic words, "Thank you," for the best thing happened today. In the next note we will discuss the 9th magic exercise, the money magnet. Turn on notifications by pressing the bell so you don't miss the note. If you think this note is good, click like and share this note with your close people via Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, or other social media. See you in the next book notes. Thank you.